Hello and welcome to the 4-minute morning for today, which is Wednesday, Crypto Day, the 21st day of March 2018. Like always, everything within your own risk, own reward. Today's video, Litecoin against the US dollar, starting with the 10-minute time frame. Yesterday at about 12 p.m. Eastern time, price action got above this key resistance point at 161 and had a very nice leg higher, correcting through time from 12:20 p.m. Eastern time through 1500 hours. Breaking its short-term resistance, getting above the key Fibonacci point, but just barely, establishing a level at about 173. A decent correction coming there after that, but nothing too much as it stayed above or around this previous congestion areas as its lows, and at 167. Had a small move at about 2200 hours up to the Fibonacci point, but it corrected nicely within its 18 average, and then getting above that point, decent leg higher. We can see how this area of general resistance is acting nicely as support, but look at this short-term analysis in here. Having a few periods riding the 18 average of the lows as it has after this correctionary move, or riding the 18 average of highs rather, is a nice bullish setup. 60-minute time frame. There we can see after the first leg higher from the 137 mark, nice little correction through time. The first half of the correction, it resisted. The second half were supported. Nice little situation there. Same thing's pretty much happening here because it resisted pretty much below this Fibonacci line originally. Now it's looking like it's supporting such. So I'm liking the setup here, especially how it's priced at the 18 average, riding the highs for quite some time. That C in price action getting above this. Another third decent leg higher would not surprise me. 400-minute time frame. Within this one here, we can see that it's had a nice little move up to this point, but is it going to come back down and make this inverted head and shoulders pattern? Well, maybe, but it's already gotten above the 18 average. This move has had a correctionary phase and a very strong one going sideways like it has. If it's ready for a decent size move higher, I wouldn't be surprised before we get to the 230 level that maybe we come to an area between 190 up to about 200 as an area of resistance within this time frame. And if not, well, I'm going to be looking for the 18 average band to be a level of support, which should coincide with what could create an inverted head and shoulders pattern. Daily time frame. Within this one here, we have after a good move higher, here's your this is a statement. When you can correct through time like this, have a very good green candle up and correct it well like it did, well, that's stating that the reversal of trend coming into place. Well, if that doesn't happen, I'm expecting failed move, fast move. But the support did find a higher low from this level. It's currently on a declining 18 average curve within a key level of resistance. It's doing very well with short term, so it wouldn't surprise me if it even does today get above the 18 average of highs. But it's at that key moment where it's either going to decide from here within this correctionary move that it's on a bullish level, it's going to get above this point, band's going to flatten out, start to rise, and making a situation of the higher low and getting above here. I mean, quite frankly, to think that, well, I mean, definitely a move up to the previous high is what you would expect. But given its bull market status, breaking it again after the situation of a very solid correction from the highs just before Christmas, or almost, well, 2.5 months, 3 months rather, of correctionary moves after a long sideways downwards thrust like this. Any bullish momentum going forward, you got to give a lot of benefit of to the bulls, which have dominated this market. Again, on a bearish level, if it leaves this 18 average of lows, 159, we also got this key support level close to 140. Then that failed move from this rally attempt could still be in play because you would expect to resist any of this 18. But I'm expecting there's a better chance that it's going to work out on the bullish level, and any corrections should just find support within this 400-minute time frame. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.